example lah. Tak mau kekek siul. Most of them is unfriendly.
Is there any reason?
Okay, so aku that time ada nampak satu IG Reels lah. Dia macam satu orang ni, dia macam spread his happiness. Macam dia pergi kat strangers, you got a macam pretty apa sweater. Terus dia macam, oh thank you very much, blah blah blah. Terus dia kata, hey mate, how you doing? Kira macam lain punya stranger lah. Terus sekali yang stranger tu cakap, oh it's not good man. Terus kata, you want a hug? Terus okay, give hug. You know macam dia pergi kat all the strangers. Strangers semua happy gila tau. And cakap balik.
Very open lah.
Yes, very open. Macam diorang tak kisah apa yang dia nak cakap. Tapi kalau kat Singapore, kau try kau ambil video, lepas tu kau pergi kat stranger. Macam okay lah, satu auntie ni lah auntie, wow you look cute in those pants. Cute. Let's see, example.
Okay lah.
Example lah. Tapi nanti auntie tu example lah. Tak mau kekek siul. Example.